Hello, this is Chris Rochnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the Cleer True Wireless headphones. These are called the Ally. This is in red. They say they provide up to 10 hours. We'll have to test that and check it out so you can see what they have in the box. So right here are the headphones. We'll get in here. We like the packaging a lot. Has magnetic closure option. Okay, so here are the headphones. We'll go in the plastic. Slide this off. So here are the headphones. They're red. They open like that. And this is what they look like right here. So immediately when you take them out, they're ready to use and pair with your phone and charge with your phone. And to charge these, it uses micro USB right here. Like I said, they also have a black model as well. And they just fit nicely in this case. These are true wireless, which means each one pairs to your device. This works with Android, Mac, PC, and iPhone. This is Chris Rochnut, 24K on Twitter, and these are the Ally Cleer headphones.